Hi there, I am Mohan from SUC College of Engineering and I'm going to explain about web scraping which is located under the Python and I'm from the Department of ISA. I will tell about web scraping which against two three languages and other benefits of Python and I'm going to here to show my slides. First on web scraping using Python. About scraping, which we have to learn about web scraping is one of the process of collecting and tracing a raw data from the web. And Python is community has come up with some pretty powerful greatest source. Means it comes with a pretty source of information and the planet, and it is going to be a against two three languages, and it will say about the benefits and other source. And Python is commonly used for web scraping means it is commonly used for web scraping and for several reasons using to build a website or software in a development and it implements the contribute to Python popularity in web scraping. Here are a few key factors I will show in the slides. Why Python is used for the web scraping against other two or three languages means Python is known for its simplicity and responsibility, making it an ideal language of beginners and experienced programmers alike. It has a clear and intuitive syntax which reduces the learning curve and allows developers and quickly write the understood code. And Python's versatile extends behind web scraping and it affects powerful data analysis and manipulation and threaded such as pandas numpy which make it easier to process and analyze extracted data and Python has a large active community of developers and which mean there are simple resource tutorials and other forms available in a assistance which can be used in a assistance like Python simplicity and readability. And if you encounter any challenges while web scraping, it's likely that someone has already faced a similar issue and can provide a guidance. And next is benefits of Python for web scraping are benefits of Python of scraping of software also is there and it can be classified or it can be tell in a 5 to 6 terms like it simplifies building your web scraper and it automates a lot of tasks and it makes gathering and organizing a data faster. Means it is commonly used in benefits also it is gathering and commonly data faster and it cost effective means it is much effective and flexibly and scalable. Scalable means it should be take a easy process, but it takes a cost more than cost. And next slide, data structures used in web scraping. It is also one more type of the Python in web scraping. In data structure also we can use and list as versatile data and used to store text data and extract data and of the data frames are tabular data structures commonly used in data analysis and manipulation libraries like pandas provide data frames. Pandas it provides a data frames and allow you to store a scrapped data in a structured formula and making it to clean, filter and analyze the data. And in more advanced web scraping scenarios, custom classes and objects can be defined to represent the extracted data. Extracted means it can be classified or structures used in a web scraping, and this approach allows for a more control and manipulation of a data means it enables the data from additional function and it is an integration with other parts of the code. And libraries used in web scraping means we can use the libraries in web scraping in a Python like Scrappy. Scrappy is an open source web scraping and web crawling framework written in Python. It is an easier thing and which beautiful soap is a Python web scraping library that extracts the data from HTML and XML files. Files called HTML, XML is a common necessary basics for a Python and it phrases HTML and XML to HTTP calls a request in a HTTP library that allows user to make open source. Open source means HTTP gives a open source and it calls to collect a data from web source and Scrappy is an open source which scrapping a web crawling of framework written in a Python and Selenium it offers a different opens. It is now well known for Selenium offers different open source extensions and libraries to support web browser automation. It took contain the following likes various database of web development and including relational database like MSQL and PostgreSQL and SQLite throw labels so much as SQL Academy and Dinkana or RM and NoSQL. So databases like MongoDB and Redis are they shown the I will show their logos also in my slide. And commonly used SQLite is a lightweight and serverless and self-contained relational database engine that is widely used in Python. This is also a common application used in Python like serverless self-contained relational database engine that is widely used in Python applications, guys. And it stores the entire database in a single file, making it in a and it easy to and setup of a SQLite. Is often chosen for smaller scale web scraping projects or when portability and simplicity are important function. And next slide it will be conclusion, guys. For note that choice of specific LibreSS frameworks and database applications may vary depending on the project requirements, scalability needs, and personally reference of the development team. It conclusion web scraping is a powerful technique used to extract data from websites, and automatically it has become a increasingly popular due to abundance of a data or development team. In a conclusion, web scraping is a powerful technique used to extract data from a website. This is a important thing in this slide. And for abundance of data available on the internet, the need to gather and analyze that data of various purposes. Here are some key points to remember about web scraping. Thank you, guys.